HDMI adapters let MacBooks connect seamlessly to external monitors, TVs, and projectors, delivering high-resolution video for work, presentations, entertainment, and multitasking. My today's video is about top 5 best HDMI adapters for MacBooks that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Solarian Desk Global USB-C Hub HDMI adapter for MacBook Pro. The 7-in-1 USB-C hub is an excellent productivity upgrade for MacBook users who need more connectivity without sacrificing portability. With a 4K at 60 Hz HDMI output, it delivers crisp, smooth visuals on external monitors, making it ideal for video editing, presentations, streaming, and multitasking. The dual USB 3.0 ports provide reliable 5 gigabits per second data transfer for accessories like keyboards, mice, and flash drives, while the dedicated USB-C data port expands compatibility with modern devices. Its 100W power delivery input keeps your laptop charged during demanding workloads, with safe 87W charging output for continuous performance. The built-in SD and micro SD card readers are a major advantage for photographers, videographers, and content creators, enabling quick file transfers without additional adapters. Compatible with MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iPad Pro, Dell XPS, HP laptops, and many other USB-C devices, this compact hub combines speed, convenience, and versatility, making it a dependable all-in-one solution for both professional and everyday use. Now our second product is HireCool USB-C Hub for MacBook. This USB-C hub is a practical all-in-one solution for professionals, students, and everyday users who need to expand the connectivity of their MacBook or USB-C laptop. It combines essential ports, including HDMI, USB 3.0, power delivery charging, and SD/TF card readers, into one compact device, helping create a cleaner and more efficient workspace. The 4K at 30 Hz HDMI output delivers sharp visuals for presentations, online meetings, media streaming, and dual-screen productivity. Its 100W USB-C power delivery pass-through ensures your laptop stays charged while multiple peripherals remain connected, making it ideal for long work sessions and business travel. High-speed USB 3.0 ports support data transfers up to 5 gigabits per second, while the SD and TF card slots provide fast, convenient access to photos and videos for photographers and content creators. Built with a durable aluminum housing for improved heat dissipation, this lightweight hub is easy to carry and dependable for daily use. Its broad compatibility with MacBook, Dell, HP, Lenovo, Microsoft, Asus, and other USB-C devices makes it a versatile productivity companion. Our third product is Nuzen 7-in-1 USB-C hub with 4K at 60 Hz HDMI. The Nuzen 7-in-1 USB-C hub is a powerful and portable docking solution designed for professionals, students, and anyone who needs reliable connectivity on the go. Despite its compact size, it offers a complete selection of essential ports, including 4K HDMI, dual USB 3.0 ports, a USB-C data port, 100W power delivery, and SD/TF card readers. The flexible, durable cable and lightweight aluminum design make it easy to carry between home, office, and travel. Its 4K at 60 Hz HDMI output delivers smooth, ultra-clear visuals for presentations, video editing, streaming, and multitasking on external displays. The 100W pass-through charging keeps your laptop or tablet powered while using multiple peripherals, ensuring uninterrupted productivity. Fast USB 3.0 data transfer and convenient memory card access make it especially valuable for photographers and content creators. Compatible with MacBooks, iPhone 15 series, Surface devices, Chromebooks, and other full-featured USB-C devices, this hub offers dependable performance. Backed by a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, it provides lasting value and peace of mind. Now number 4, Anker USB-C to HDMI adapter. The Anker 310 USB-C to HDMI adapter is an excellent choice for users who need a simple, reliable way to connect their USB-C laptop, tablet, or smartphone to an external display. Its plug-and-play design eliminates the need for drivers or software, allowing you to start presenting, streaming, or extending your workspace within seconds. Supporting up to 4K resolution, the adapter delivers crisp visuals and vibrant colors, making it ideal for business presentations, video streaming, gaming, and creative work. The premium aluminum casing helps dissipate heat efficiently during extended use, while the reinforced braided nylon cable is built to resist daily bending and wear for long-lasting durability. Compatible with USB-C devices that support DisplayPort Alt mode, USB 4 and Thunderbolt, it works seamlessly with many modern laptops and tablets. Backed by Anker's reputation for quality, an 18-month warranty, and responsive customer support, this adapter offers dependable performance, durable construction, and exceptional value for everyday connectivity needs. And our last choice is Hodo USB-C Docking Station Dual Monitor. The 14-in-1 USB-C docking station is a complete desktop expansion solution for professionals who need maximum connectivity from a single USB-C port. It features dual 4K HDMI outputs, DisplayPort, Gigabit Ethernet, USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 ports, USB-C data ports, SD/micro SD card readers, a 3.5mm audio jack, and 100W power delivery charging, creating an organized and highly productive workspace. Its multi-monitor support is ideal for multitasking, allowing Windows users to extend displays for improved workflow, while the high-speed 5 gigabits per second USB ports enable quick file transfers and seamless connection of accessories. The Gigabit Ethernet port provides a stable wired internet connection for video conferences, gaming, and large downloads, while the audio jack supports wired headsets for clear communication. The integrated SD and micro SD card readers simplify photo and video transfers, making it an excellent choice for photographers and creators. With broad compatibility and reliable power pass-through charging, this docking station delivers outstanding versatility for office, home, and professional use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.